Tonight we're on our way to the Flame & Smith in Bloomfield, Ontario, here in Prince Edward County. It's a wood fire restaurant, gives the food a really unique flavor. I keep hearing about this big whopping tomahawk steak that they have there. So we are going there tonight on date night in Prince Edward County. So stick around and you'll get to see what it's all about. So the Flame & Smith is the only wood fire restaurant here in Prince Edward County. I've never been, but I've had friends that have gone and they've been really impressed. And they tell me that you gotta go try that tomahawk steak. So that's why we're going. Smells nice in here. Yep.
This is our first time. What? This is our first time. Awesome. So excited. He wants a tomahawk steak.
That's why we're here.
That's our specialty. Yeah,
it is. Good.
I want that.
That smells really good in here.
Thank you.
Excellent.
Oh, thank you.
That was great. Bananas and caramel. Tonight we are on our way to Tonight we're on our way to the Flame & Smith in Bloomfield. It's a wood fire restaurant, and yeah, unfortunately it's really dark in here.